Baby Hazel Nursery Rhymes. Little Boy Blue.
Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cows in the corn. But where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under a haystack, he's fast asleep. Will you wake him? No, not I, for if I do, he's sure to cry. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cows in the corn. But where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under a haystack, he's fast asleep. Will you wake him? No, not I, for if I do, he's sure to cry.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa.
Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling a lie.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
No.
Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar,
No, Papa.
telling a lie.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha. Simple Simon.
Simple Simon met a pieman going to the fair. Says Simple Simon to the pieman, let me taste your ware. Says the pieman to Simple Simon, show me first your penny. Says Simple Simon to the pieman, indeed I have not any. La 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 la. Simple Simon went a fishing for to catch a whale. All the water he had got was in his mother's pail. La 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 la. Simple Simon went to look if plums grew on a thistle. He pricked his fingers very much, which made poor Simon whistle.
Little Jack Horner.
Little Jack Horner sat in the corner, eating a Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." children in their bed, for it's past 10 o'clock. Hey Willy Winky, are you coming in? The cat is singing purring sounds to the sleeping hen. The dog spread out on the floor and doesn't give a cheep, but here's a wakeful little boy who will not fall asleep. Anything but sleep, you rogue, glowing like the moon, rattling in an iron jug with an iron spoon, rumbling, tumbling round about, crowing like a cock, shrieking like I don't know what, waking sleeping folk. Wee Willy Winky runs through the town, upstairs and downstairs in his nightgown, tapping at the window, crying at the lock. Are the children in their bed, for it's past 10 o'clock.
Hot Cross Buns.
Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. Hot cross buns, hot cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.
Thank you.
Pussycat, Pussycat. Breaking news. Naughty Mouse steals Queen's cheesecake.
Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair.
Breaking news. Naughty Mouse steals Queen's cheesecake.
Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I've been to London to look at the Queen. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. I am the Bacon Man.
I am the baker man. I come from far away and I can bake.
What can you bake?
I can bake biscuits.
Crunchy, 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 crunch, crunchy, crunch, crunchy, crunch, crunchy, 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 crunch, crunchy, crunchy, crunch.
I am the baker man. I come from far away and I can bake.
What can you bake?
I can bake cakes.
Yummy, 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 yum, yummy, yum, yummy, yum, yummy, 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 yum, yummy, yummy, yum.
I am the baker man. I come from far away and I can bake.
What can you bake?
I can bake cookies.
Chewy, 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 chew, chewy, chew, chewy, chew, chewy, 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 chew, chewy, chewy, chew.
Patty cake, baker's man.
Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me your cake as fast as you can. Prick it and pat it and mark it with M. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Make it with chocolate and make it with cream. Make it the prettiest you've ever seen. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me your cake as fast as you can. Please. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me your cake as fast as you can. Mix it and stir it and bake it just right. Good from the first to the very last bite. Write his name with lots of care and top with candies here and there. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me your cake as fast as you can. Prick it and price it and mark it with M. And put it in the oven for baby and me. And put it in the oven for baby and me. And put it in the oven for baby and me.
Hey there, did you enjoy singing with us? For more nursery rhymes, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.